24th of February 2014, I've just got my phone Huawei Y300 back from Lenovo. Let's see what they said. It's helpful. And they've been unable to replicate the fault. Right. Here's the phone. This is where I try and do it one-handed because I'm holding the phone with the other. Come on, Eddie, come. Right. Got it. One Huawei Y300. Thingy's at the other end, isn't it? Yes, it is my phone. Right. Batteries that way round. Stick it in. Cover on. Not going to worry about the SIM card or SD for now. And let's see what happens. And it's powers up. Move it out of the reflection. Yes, of course, on the initial boot up, these Androids do take a while to fire up. Don't go dim on me yet. It does take a while, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. We're in the UK. Start. Okay, so don't worry about the SIM. We'll skip that for now. Yeah, I have one, but never mind for now. Let's go down. Right, don't worry about the clock. Okay, don't worry about that. And let's see if the keyboard works. Okay. Hang on, how do I type it? H. Or a B. Or a Y for that matter. So the Y. Definitely a fault on the touchscreen, isn't there? You can see I haven't installed anything. That's a straight out of the box. Don't know what sort of extensive testing they claim to have carried out, but this is within a couple of minutes of getting it out of the box. I've replicated a fault.